Reverend Radovan Petrovich has known Neven Stanisic since the young man was 6.
Very well-mannered, first and foremost, and you could have seen him that he loved his family.
This morning, the Reverend and leader of St. John the Baptist Serbian Orthodox Church raced to the side of Neven's family shortly after they learned their son was one of 10 who passed away in yesterday's supermarket shooting.
In at 3 a.m. I received that very, very sad call.
Reverend Petrovich says Neven was at the supermarket working on coffee machinery for a supply company.
It's very hard for me to repeat this story.
The most heartbreaking part, the Reverend adds, Neven almost made it out alive.
He exited the store. He was on his way to another project, another job. So he got to his car, and that's where he was gunned down.
Reverend Petrovich tells me the family's faith is what has them looking to the sky, especially during this Lenten season.
What comforts us is the resurrection of Christ, that it's coming, and knowing that Neven is in a better place.
Faith, the Reverend adds, helping an entire community stay Boulder strong.
I just pray, I sincerely pray that this tragedy doesn't happen anywhere in the U.S. anymore.